Echo CS-310. Hasn't been ran all winter. Let's see how she fares. Alright, that's the Echo CS-310. Hasn't been ran all winter. Probably since October, like most of my handheld stuff. I haven't done anything over the winter. Though I will probably play with my Christmas tree that's still just laying there. I'll probably play with that here in a little bit. So there we go. That's the cold starts on the handhelds, and I've got some cleanups coming up. One next week for sure. So I doubt I'll need the chainsaw, but the blower and the edge trimmers I'm definitely going to use. So there we go. Those are in good working order.